So you want to make a button. Well, we can do that. If you head to Google, think of an image you like. You'll type that image in there. For this example, we'll use Stitch. And the easiest way to bring up images of Stitch is to click on Images. Then you'll see a ton of images that you can choose from. Let's say for this example, we like this image right here. We can right click on it and copy it. Once we've done that, we will open up Photoshop. Now once you open Photoshop, you should see button templates already there, and you will click on, depending on what size you like, as we have two options, large and small. We'll click on this, which is the 1 1/4 inch button template. And to bring our image in, we're going to click on Edit and Paste. There's Stitch. Once he's there, you can move him wherever you like. Now you want him to be within this red circle, because anything outside of that red circle is going to be cut out and not show up on your button. And an easiest way to determine that is to bring your actual design guide to the top there. So now that you see the red circle on top of the image, and it'll allow you to size him up better. And then once you're happy with that, you want to bring your actual design image back down to the bottom so we don't print that red circle, or similarly we can click on that little eye and turn it off. Once you've done that, you will be ready to print it out. And to print it out, you're simply going to go to File, and that should bring up the print option. Once you bring that option up, you want to make sure the color printer is selected, and you will be able to print your image. That is the end of the first part of creating a button. Alright, this is part 2 of making a button. So we have our printed Stitch image. We want to cut this down a little bit so he'll fit in our circular cutter. We don't have to do this in any particular way. Doesn't have to look pretty or nice. We just want to get it so it'll fit in here. Once you have your image cut down to size, you will fit him so that that circle, now see, I messed up. So that circle lines up with the hole, if that makes sense. Once you have that, then you can cut it. Simply bring that back and then back down, and remove said image. There's your image cut out, all circular and nice. So then for our small button, you will choose a small button front. You want to make sure that the button maker is spring side forward. If you see these little springs, you want those to be out and forward. And then you take your small button front, and you want the rim to be down so that it hugs, as you put it in there, it hugs the base. Once you've done that, you'll take your image and put it on top. And then you get a small plastic top, just one, place that on top. Once you have that, you're going to spin this around and bring this forward all the way down until it makes a horrible noise. Right back up, leave it as such. Once you've done that, you grab a small button back, squiggly side up, face down, right in there just like that, and then spin this the other way. Once again, bring this forward all the way down, back up, and voila, you have a Stitch button. Wow. That is the end of part 2 of making a button.